E-Railway Claims Tribunal System. Recently, the Union Minister for Railways launched the E-Railway Claims Tribunal System as reform number 4 under Indian Railways flagship 52 Reforms in 52 Weeks initiative. About E-Railway Claims Tribunal System, it will enable end-to-end computerization and digitization of the Railway Claims Tribunal. Objective, it will transform the filing, processing and adjudication of claims by making the process faster, more transparent and accessible from anywhere in the country. Under the new system, aggrieved passengers will be able to file claims electronically irrespective of their location, even while traveling or upon reaching their destination. The entire process from e-filing to case information systems will be digitized and AI enabled. The platform comprises three core components. E-filing, it helps in 24/7 online filing of claims and legal documents from any location and uploading of petition, affidavits, annexures and supporting records. Case information system CIS, it is a centralized database of all cases for auto allocation, case registration and real-time tracking from filing to final disposal. Document Management System DMS, it is the digital storage of pleadings, notices, summons, orders and judgments along with digitally signed records. Key facts about Railway Claims Tribunal, it was constituted under the Railway Claims Tribunal Act 1987. Function, it adjudicates claims against railway administration relating to compensation for death or injury in railway accidents and untoward incidents, loss or non-delivery of goods and refund of fares and freight. At present, RCT functions through 23 benches located in 21 cities across India with principal bench at Delhi composition, each bench comprising a judicial member and a technical member.